the time has come. It's time to answer to your questions because I know that you're pretty curious about my answers. You always ask me questions. Sometimes I do the bad thing of posting a Q&A on Instagram and never answering the questions from it. It's a bad habit that I do because when I'm posting the Q&A, I think that I will have time in the future, but actually I don't. So I'm so sorry for that, guys. But however, I'm here to take my revenge and to actually answer to most of your questions from the last Q&A that I had. Somebody asked, what strategy do you use the most? So first of all, if you enter my group, which is here in the description box on Telegram, you will see exactly what I'm doing. In the past, I used smart money concepts, but right now I don't call it this way. First of all, because ICs do not work anymore, order blocks do not work anymore, they can be taken out easily. So usually I set the stop loss above them, I enlarge my stop loss a lot more, and I reduced my trades to 1 to 2 risk reward, 1 to 3 maximum. I don't go for the huge 1 to 10 risk rewards that I had in the past, because by the way, they don't even work anymore. So if you don't adapt to the market conditions that you have right now, the market will continue without you anyways. What country do you live in that trading is not taxable? Usually when trading is illegal in a country, it's not taxable because you can't put a tax on it, right? So it's pretty tricky if you ask me. There are other countries too. You can go in Dubai, for example, to live there and to have zero taxes, or to open a business with zero taxes for trading. However, they should accept your activity. You don't have to pay your taxes in the country that you live in. What do you like about Kuala Lumpur? Kuala Lumpur was my home for almost 1 year, and I'm so happy that I got this experience. I got this experience to live there. It was absolutely nice. Everything was fast. They know how to move. They don't like to wait. Everything is a rush, and I like it. Like, you order food, it comes quick. You order a taxi, it comes quick. Everything is premium if you're looking for it. The restaurants are amazing. The people are pretty nice. Everyone is speaking English, which is a big plus, and everyone minds its own business. I don't know, they're doing pretty good financially from what I observed, and also everyone is pretty kind to you if you're a tourist or not, because you're gonna say that they're nice to me because I'm a tourist, but I saw how they interact with each other, so it's the same thing. How many pairs do you trade and what time frame? I mostly trade GBP USD. This is the pair that I trade on my own. I take my own analysis, and usually I take around 2 trades per week on it. I don't rush into taking trades. It's a pretty slow one, but when it does its thing, it does it good. Also US30 and gold, the trades that we take at FXA on US30 and gold are all shared with you. So there's absolutely no trades that you can't take from us because we post it in the premium FXA channel group. 3 pairs, and 2 of them are analyzed by my team too, so I'm not taking them on my own, and you can do the same too. We're not having secrets. Last month, how much were you in profit? 9% growth, and everyone from the group saw it. It's not like we didn't manipulate in any way the results. Everyone can access our PNL daily, and everyone can check the fact that all the trades that we take are written there. Like, there's full transparency in our community, and I hope that you like it because we work a lot on this transparency. Will you have a trading guidebook released anytime soon? I don't consider myself good enough to write books yet. I don't know if I underestimate myself, but honestly, I believe that this is another level. I'm not there. I only have 4 years in the market and I still have a lot to learn. I don't want to write in a book something that won't be true in the future, for example, or some misinformation. I can consider that I have a book. It's a 40-page PDF file with everything that I use and I know. I don't want to add more information into that because this is exactly what I do. This can be concluded in a 40-page book. And this PDF is inside my course, which can be found in the description box. For how many years you are trading? I said 4 years now. What risk reward you suggest? Depends a lot on how you trade. I don't know. I trade every day. I take scalps and I get out of trades pretty easily. I don't stay there too long. So for me, 1 to 2, even 1 to 1 is good for me. As long as I'm taking profit, for me it's good because the number of trades that I take is pretty high right now, especially for the fact that I opened a signal channel where people demand signals. So I adapted to this thing. So my accounts will go with compounding. And by the way, I compound pro form accounts and personal trading accounts. I feel like people that are using pro forms totally forgot about how important it is to have an account on a broker too, a good one. Please take profits from your pro form account and put them in a brokerage account. You need to be assured that you're going to make profits anyways. So please absolutely do that. A lot of you ask me, I say again, I mentioned again the fact that I'm using AAA FX is a good one. 16 years in the market, good spread starting from zero, no commissions on deposit and withdrawals, and it's regulated. I'm considering dropping out of college to focus on trading. I'm confused. I dropped out of college in order to pursue my trading career, but that doesn't mean that you should do the same. What college are you in? Is it going to help you in any way in the future or not? For example, I realized that my college didn't help me in any way. It was an engineering entrepreneurship college. I just realized that nobody would care about my diploma in the future, and I won't be an engineer because I don't like it. So anyways, for me, it's off. Also, I already made money through trading when I dropped out of college. It wasn't the fact that I wanted to pursue my dream and to start learning something else, because you never know. You never know if you're going to be good or not. So my advice for you is to follow your intuition first of all, and second of all, maybe be a dropout after you're profitable and consistent. Because if you're not, you might fail in both and you won't feel good about it. It's better for you to have your future assured. Other hobbies besides trading, as I said, because of trading, first of all, I'm allowed to do almost anything that I want. I can travel, which is the main hobby. Another hobby is cooking, but I do it only when I have time. And also social media. Social media is a hobby for me. I don't treat it like a job. Even if I obtain some income out of it, I don't treat it like a job. It's more like an add-on, because most of the times I simply follow the charts and I have so much time in between that I don't know what to do with it. So basically this is why I created a community, a course. Okay guys, so I feel like this is enough for today. If you have more questions, please follow my Instagram page, and when I post that Q&A, just ask me there and I will answer in a video in the future. Thank you for watching, have a nice day, and also don't forget to like and subscribe.